Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, Extended Foot Pedal Support, I'm going to show you another Python plugin with some great macros for you to take advantage of. This Python plugin is available from the store, so I'm going to go to Support, Plugins, Plugin Store, and I'm going to scroll down and find foot pedal support in the list. And I see there are several functions that I'm able to modify within the code itself. However, there's also a few options that are added as just regular macros. And these are also available in the drop-down menus under Tools, Multimedia, and once I enable this plugin, I'll have foot pedal as an option. So I'm going to download this plugin, and then I'm going to go to Support, Plugins, Manage Plugins. And since this one is adding macros, I know that I need to enable it. So I'll press Enable and OK. I'll close out of Eclipse and reopen it. Now if I go to Support, Plugins, Edit Python Code, I can look at foot pedal. And I see that this has all the same information from the description. And if I scroll down, I see that each of these foot pedal actions is assigned to a command. And so all of these are customizable. If you need help customizing these, don't hesitate to contact tech support. However, what these also add are regular macros that you can use to toggle your foot pedal input on and off. There may be times when you're working on audio in another program, like ExpressScribe. If that's the case, you might not want your foot pedal to work while you're in Eclipse. Instead of having to have a special INI set up that has your foot pedal macros disabled, instead now I can simply go to Tools, Multimedia, and Foot Pedal, and I can turn my foot pedal input on or off, or I can just assign a keystroke to foot pedal toggle. If I go to Edit, Keyboard, Add, I can select foot pedal toggle, and I can assign a keystroke that will toggle my foot pedal input on and off. So this way you can use your foot pedal wherever you need to, whenever you need to, with just the touch of a button. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached with any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thank you so much and have a great day.